This video is about solving differential equations. For the first one, we have dy dx equals x squared times 1 plus y squared over y. We can see that this is a separable differential equation. In order to see it in a separable way, we are going to change the position of these, or you can multiply both sides by y and then by dx and then the y both sides by 1 plus y squared. So we would end up with integral of y over 1 plus y squared dy, which is equal to x squared dx. We know that the derivative of the right side is x cubed over 3 plus c, and the derivative of the left side, since the derivative of 1 over y squared is 2y, you can multiply this by 2, and in order to cancel that, you can write 1 over 2 here. So now we have 1 over 2 times an integral of a fraction that the numerator is the derivative of denominator. So we can write the answer as ln of absolute value of 1 plus y squared. Of course, this is positive. And from here, ln of absolute value of 1 plus y squared, or we can skip this part, equals to 2 times x cubed over 3 plus c. And in order to cancel ln, we would write 1 plus y squared equals e to the power 2 over 3 x cubed plus c. And this right side can be written as e to 2 over 3 x cubed times e to c. And we know that e to c is just a number, so you can have a big C for all of it. Or you can just keep it that way. From here, y squared is going to be c times e2 over 3 x cubed minus 1. And y would be plus or minus square root of c e to 2 over 3 x cubed minus 1. For the integral, if you don't see that in this way, we had the integral of y over 1 plus y squared dx. So you can simply say that I would like to have u as 1 plus y squared, and du would be 2y dy. And since we have y dy here, we can say that from this part, y dy is du over 2. So the integral would be written as du over 2 over 1 plus y squared, which is u. So we would have 1 over u, the integral of 1 over 2, the integral of 1 over u du, which will be 1 over 2 ln of absolute value of u. And here we know that u is 1 plus y squared, which is positive. So either this way or writing this way. Both of them end up here. Let's do number 2. Find the solution of this differential equation given that y of 0 is 1. So in order to solve this one, we can see that this is a separable differential equation. So we can rewrite it as y over 1 plus y squared dy equals x squared over y. No, sorry. X squared over 1 plus x squared dx. And now we can take derivative, integral both sides. With the same idea of number one, either finding the integral using u for the left side and a u like 1 plus x squared. No, this one doesn't work. And du equals 2y dy, and the integral will be du over 2 over 1 plus y squared, which is u, and it will be 1 over 2 ln of u, which is 1 plus y squared. This will be the left side. But about the right side, u equals 1 plus x squared doesn't work. You know why? Because when you say du equals 2x dx, and you would replace here, let's keep x squared here. Instead of 1 plus x squared will be u times, you can write x squared as u minus 1 also, u minus 1. Instead of dx, we would find it from here, that would be du over 2x. And this x here, if you want to write it as a term in terms of u, so find x from here. That would be x squared equals u minus 1. And from here, x would be, let's say it is positive u minus 1. So the integral would be u minus 1 over u times du over 2 square root of u minus 1. Okay? And even if you simplify these two, you would have square root of u minus 1 over u with a coefficient 1 over u du. And it cannot be solved easily. So this doesn't work here. We have an easier option here. We have x squared and we have x squared plus 1. So what about writing the top as plus 1 minus 1 over x squared plus 1 dx? So it will be written as x squared plus 1 over x squared plus 1 minus 1 over x squared plus 1 dx. It means integral of 1 minus dx minus 1 over x squared plus 1 dx. We know that integral of 1 is just x. We know that the integral of 1 over 1 plus x squared is tan inverse of x plus c. And that would be the right side. Also, we have initial amount. So from here, when you set x as 0, y would be 1. So let's put that here. For the left side, it will be 1 over 2 ln of 1 plus 1 equals, for the right side, that would be 0 minus 0 plus c. So the left side is 1 over 2 ln of 2, which is c. And instead of this, we can write ln of 2 to the power 1 over 2, which means the square root of 2. And we would replace that here. So this will be the final answer. But the left side is 1 over 2 ln of 1 plus y squared. Don't forget to write that here.